What's up guys, it's RSplitter8 back here for another video, and I'm here to unbox Scythe Incendio, and I found this at my local Walmart. Here are the stats. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox this. I got my scissors right here. So I've seen a lot of people just rip up the front, but I think there's a more efficient way to do it. Let's go through it like that. Oh, well, I already ripped it. Okay, you know what, I'll pause this and show you when it's open. Alright, so I eventually got this pocket open, and there's the bit, the launcher. The last part is the Beyblade. I don't know, they seal these really tight. Just have to get the Beyblade out. You know, I'm already ripping through the package anyways. I said I was going to do a more efficient way to do it, but it just... Oh, okay, it's a whole... Okay, just come out like that. Alright. So we got the blade. So it's not called layer, it's called blade in Beyblade X terms, and then I gotta cut these up. So let's get my scissors here. Alright. Alright, we got the ratchet, which is 460. And then, let me get the slide up over here. And then taper, which already came with Tusk Mammoth. Alright, now we're going to put it together. Alright. Alright, Scythe Incendio. 460 taper. Alright. Alright, so we're going to do a test launch with Scythe Incendio. Which one up? Zip! Alright. Alright, let's do that again. It keeps ending up in the extreme pocket. Let's do it one more time. There you go. It still ended up in the extreme pocket. Okay. Alright, let's just do some test battles now. So I'm going to test it against Dogger and Tusk Mammoth. Which one that rip? Alright, Dogger takes that one. Dagger takes it again. Alright, time to test it against Tusk Mammoth. Extreme finish. Alright, Scythe Incendio got that one. Thoughts on this Beyblade? It's a really cool looking Beyblade. A lot of people said this is pretty good competitively, so if you play competitively, this might be a good pickup for you. But that'll be RSplitter8 out. Peace.